Hey guys, welcome back to charater. We are back in some more Roblox. Today we are going to be playing My Hero Academy Guess My Character on Roblox. And if you're a big fan of My Hero Academy, make sure you comment down below and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you post what's your favorite color, and make sure you say who's your favorite character in My Hero Academy. There's like 2 players on here. Oh, here's a nice welcome. Oops, I can't move. Oh, there. I can move now. Okay, so can I move now? Oh, okay, I can move. Oh, here's a nice welcome. It says, "Welcome to my game. Let's see, you are a real and a fan." Oh my gosh, this is literally Deku. Deku is my favorite character, guys. If you haven't watched this, Deku is my favorite character, as you guys can know. Oh, this is a hard name. Mikura? Oh, I got her name right. Oh, easy. Shoto. How do you spell Shoto's name? I spelled short. How do you spell Shoto's name again? Todoroki? I don't know how to spell Todoroki, but I'm going to just say his first. Oh, I'm just going to let people do it for me. I don't know his name. Who said that? Oh, I know Bakugo. Bakugo. Girl, you're not gonna come through or not? Oh, Mineta? Boy. Oh, I know. Oh, my. Bruh, I don't know no Mineta. Mineta. What's his name again? I don't know his name. Oh, we know. Oh my. I don't know. Deku. Oh, Mr. Arzawa. Enter. Oh my god. Oh. It's Kirishima. I forgot how to spell Kirishima's name. How do you spell Kirishima? Kirishima. Guys, I forgot how to spell Kirishima. So, oh my gosh, you just hit. Oh my god. Oh yes. He's like Kirishima, but people call him Dada. I forgot his name. Oh, I know her name. Let's just say, you say this time. I'm making a video, but I don't know. I said it. I'm literally sad, guys, because I don't know any of these names, but I know her name. I forgot. She got stuck. B. What's her name again? Oh, I know her name. Mama. See, I got that right. Ooh, I glitched it. Mama. Asui. Sleep guy. Sleep guy? I just said sleep guy. Okay. I'm so dumb, guys. Even the answer. What's his name? Sleep guy. I say sleep guy. Get through the corner. I know this is Asui and that one's Momo. I love Asui. She's a cute froggy. Tenye? I'm literally with this girl and she's saying, and then why this girl's like a hater. Guys, I swear this girl's a hater because she's saying, and then if you don't know, why are you playing? I know that's not Tenye. That's someone else. That's Tenye. Who is this? He is ugly. Don't judge me. I don't know what his name is. Guys, I'm so confused. I forgot his name. I literally just forgot his name. Like, I don't like mute. Bye. No, wait, don't leave yet, because I'm not done with this video. You see me leaving that video because that video was ugly. Don't judge me, it was. And for some reason, oh, there you go. This way pop up. Okay. Okay. Oh, this one. So, guys, I'm gonna play another one because the other one is not really kind of my thing. So, there's only 35 people playing his favorites. Of course, everyone loves My Hero Academy. My Hero Academy is everyone's favorite anime show. Why is my mouse glitching? Mouse, 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 mouse. Chill out. Chill. You like Deku. Deku's like, I'm tempting. That's what Deku's like. He's like, I'm so scared. Oh my god, that's what Deku's like. I'm scared. Of course, it's going to give us the answers. And we know the small bean potato. Spell that out. Okay. Oh, yeah. Everyone knows Bakugo. Bakugo. You can Sensei. Ukura Sensei. How you and I heard everyone's been saying that Izakura has a crush on that person. And I was saying that Shaggy is Deku's brother, no, stepbrother, because everyone's been saying that he's been adopted, and some people say no, he has not been adopted. That is his big brother. Just dyed his hair blue, and Kanzu Midori did not tell no one because he didn't feel like telling, because no one was saying, so you're a villain too, you, and kick him out probably. And I remember saying that Deku has been betraying everyone. And because All Might betrayed him by leaving behind, but that's in the Gotcha Life. And I'm sorry for not doing the thingy because sorry for not posting on it, and sorry for not doing the Gotcha Life or stuff, but I'll do it now after this, and there will be a part 2 to hear this. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can watch the part 2, and it will be coming up soon. Y'all know I'm cheating because I know none of these people's name. Don't even because I played this before at night. Oops, I spelled Eraserhead wrong. Mr. Rosawas. There you go. Yeah, and make sure you comment which is your favorite ship. I'm gonna give you 3 ships that you like.